Hello and welcome to today's episode of Scrapneek TV. I'm going to hop on over to Photoshop Elements where we will be working today, and we're going to be using my new mini kit that I made called The Social Life, with just some fun little things having to do with social media and things like that. So for this example, there are two things that I'm using. I have a set of Pocket Quick Pages, and they look like this. This is one of them, this is another one, and this is a third one. I think there are six or seven total in the set. And you can find those, let me just pop back over, if you go to the library, and I'm already logged into the library, but if you've signed up, you have the password, so you put in the password, and then this is the library. Well, I guess here, sorry, then you enter from here. Type in the password, which you'll get as soon as you sign up on any of these pages. And if you've signed up before, then and you get my emails, it's at the bottom of all of my emails. So once you get inside the resource library, if you come down to Quick Pages, and this one on the bottom, Pocket Quick Pages, that is the set that I'm using along with the kit for today. So these are great for, let's see, let's use this one. These are a great way to scrapbook something really quick if you like the pocket style. If you notice, each one of these images already has a shadow added, so it's super, super quick. The other thing that I thought would be fun is I went to my Facebook page and I did some screenshots of some of the more recent events. So things from my Facebook page. I don't post a ton on Facebook, but occasionally I do. And there were several that were memories. And I just thought it would be fun to sort of show kind of like some of the recent things that would be on my Facebook page. So that's kind of how we're going to scrap this today. And to show you how easy this is, down here I've got those screenshots. I'm just going to slide them up. And hopefully they're not too small. Usually screenshots are decent size. Well, okay, so I would have preferred them to be a little bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on these and I'm just going to make them a little bigger. I don't recommend this in a lot of things, but I don't think we'll have to give up a lot of our quality. We'll kind of take a look and see. So it makes it a little more fuzzy, but it's not too bad. And I want to have that, be able to see those Facebook things on this post. So, and just some fun memories that I want to remember. Because sometimes, I don't know about you, but I put more, Facebook for me actually is a really good journaling thing. It's just a nice way to help tell the story, right? Okay, so I'm just going to bump those up to like 900. Now we're going to come back over and try sliding them in, and I think they'll be a little closer to the size we need. Guess it's going to go a little slow. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them under this layer of my quick page here. And I'm going to make sure that I simplify this layer, and then I'm going to cut off what's left here at the bottom. And make sure that your photo layer is the one that's highlighted, so that it cuts off the bottom part of this image, not your actual quick page here. Okay, so it is being really, really painfully slow. So I'm just going to add a few more things. So you can add a journal card in the same way, and this kit comes with a really simple journal card because I thought it would be A really nice place to also add journaling, and sometimes journal cards can be really good for that. So we'll slide that in there. Now let's say that we want to add a paper. This, of course, is going to fill the whole thing, but what we're going to do is we're just going to simplify the layer and then cut everywhere that we don't need it, just like we did with the little extra that was on the photo. I apologize that this is so slow. Okay, well, I don't want to take up your time while we wait for this. I'll finish up the layout and post it. But basically, this is just a really great format. You know, papers, cards, photos, you put all on the bottom of this, and it makes it look like it's already been given the shadow and everything. And then once you get that much done, you'll highlight the bottom one, and you'll add your little, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to quickly do this. Now I want it to be for this big space here. So with this key tool, whoops, I'm going to do everything along here and delete. And then I'm going to do along here and delete. But then, yeah, then you can add the little elements in your journaling and titles, all of that fun stuff on the top, and add a little bit of a shadow to them and save it, and you're done. And it's a super quick way to scrapbook a layout in sort of that pocket style look. Okay, and then here, and delete. Okay. Now if I were to go to the top with just even these 3 pieces in place, I can do little things, whoops, like, you know, add a little heart. Oh, I just can't believe how incredibly slow this is being. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish up, move that to the top, and you can resize it, whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and post it, but know that you can go to the resource library and get these quick pages that will really help speed things up, and also the mini for today. Thank you for joining me.